What took them so long to come out with gray? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And this one here is called the Flash Notes. Yes, sir. This week I'm gonna show y'all a couple of pieces I brought from Supreme FW24 Week 1. Very nice Week 1, man. Very under the radar Week 1. Had a lot of coats. I'm not a coat guy, but it was some pieces we haven't seen before that I really wanted. And definitely gonna get into that. If y'all new to the channel, then y'all don't know, like, Supreme was my go-to, man. I reviewed every week and I brought tons of stuff. I toned down since then. I don't buy everything all the time. I have way too many Supreme accessories I can't use and way too many stickers that I'll never stick anywhere. So if you know Supreme, you know some of these stickers are iconic and out of the world. So this ain't new to me, guys. I've been doing Supreme for a long time. But what I was waiting for from Supreme for a long time is them to come out with the gray colorway in the tees, in the boxes, in the socks. I was shocked that gray took this long. Like, you did black, you did white. What comes after that, guys? Has to be gray. I get red. That's Supreme's go-to. But gray shouldn't have took this long. I got neon green, army green. Finally, we got gray, guys. So this is the Hanes 2-shirt, tagless Supreme joint. I love how Supreme take our regular accessories, guys, and just turn it into a thing. So you get two tagless gray tees here. Dope look, man. It's that gray we like. It's not like that, the kind of off grays. This is the gray we like. And if you go on the site right now, they still have sizes. I think every size from extra large to 2X. $32, guys. Great price. Nice Supreme logo at the bottom, man. I like every colorway because of the comfortability of the shirt. I go true to size. I wear medium. I know even though it's supposed to be an undershirt, who's really wearing it as an undershirt? I usually go medium, my original size, my true to size, and it fits perfect. So I hope that helps, guys. Next up is the Maradona tee, or Maradona Diego. Diego's his first name. And he's like one of the greatest ever coach/players in soccer history. I had to ask my local people about him. Y'all know I don't watch soccer. And as soon as you bring his name up, yo, that guy was crazy. That guy was the greatest. That guy was like a god. So I brought the tee because of that. Because I had no knowledge beforehand. But you see the tag there? Maradona tee. Supreme is dope, man. They give the people what they want and what they need. And sometimes what we thought we even didn't need. So it says pre-strunk 100% cotton. Usually the pre-strunk tees are a little more thicker, like the one I have on now. Fits a little better, usually. And here it go, man. The Maradona tee. So this is him when he was way much younger. RIP, passed away, I think a heart attack a couple years ago. But super dope. He played for Argentina, and it's crazy because he was known for doing hard drugs. And this shirt here says no drug. So, very dope, man. Again, my true to size medium, like I told y'all. Look at the tag. It says pre-strunk with the Supreme logo. And this is one of the thicker ones, guys. This ain't one of the loosey-goosey joints. One of the thicker ones. If you don't like red, they have a lot of colors in this. Purple, white, black, I believe like a sandish brown. But Supreme, I always go red first, man. You could just never go wrong, man. And last but not least, the S Jesus Christ Cross New Era Supreme hat. Show you the tag here. S logo, teal colorway. I went with teal, and if y'all watch the channel, some of y'all know why I went with the teal. I feel like it's a match made in heaven, guys. I had to get a hat to match the, I was about to say Tiffany, the April SB Dunks. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. So yeah, let's take this bag off. There we go. Boom. You got the S. Super dope. And then you got a cross at the top, as you can see. And the cross is gold. Very dope, man. Like, Supreme think of things, man. So they got a cross at the top. Very abrased, very thick. It can be a piece on a chain. I don't know if it's real gold. Super dope. Got the S logo at the front. The back reads world famous with the Supreme logo, and it is a fitted. So if you're trying to go on the site right now, you got to make sure you get your size. It's not a snapback. It's a fitted. New Era logo on the side. Gray bottom, guys. Perfect match, man, to my April joints. I really, really like this hat. I haven't brought a fitted hat from Supreme in a long time, but I really was feeling these cross hats, man. Very unique, very different. I'm kind of bummed out because I was told that you get a free gift, the Supreme straw I've been seeing everybody with. That didn't come in my box, man. But far as the stickers, you get a regular Supreme logo sticker. This is a newie I never seen before. Pink with some bandana print. Supreme logo in black with the pink in the background. Some dead flowers. And, of course, my guy Maradona T. Well, it is a T. The sticker. The back reads all rights under license from Podium Icon Limited or Reserve. That's what was throwing me off. I was reading that while I was showing y'all this. So very dope, man. Supreme did good. Yes, sir, man. So that's the quick Flash Notes episode on week 1 of Supreme. Week 2 just happened to be some Air Max that I was kind of iffy on, guys, so I didn't even try for it. But let me know how y'all feel about those, if y'all did cop, man, and what was your reason for copping. Let me know what was your favorite for week 1. If I was in the coats, it would have definitely been that red Varsity Supreme coat for sure. But I'm just not into coats, guys. Let me know what you're looking forward to this year, man. I did like the trucks, but I got so many accessories, man. I don't want to be a hoarder, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.